Do you want to know how you can change your language in v.io? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your language in v.io. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to v.io, log into your account, and what you need to do is tap on this option, which is your profile, and you can see language over here. Some of the languages offered by Veed are English, Spanish, French and Portuguese. You can tap on it and you can see your language will change instantly. You can choose the language of your choice and then you can start using Veed. To change it back to English again, go ahead and select your profile and go to this globe icon, click on it and click English. In a while, you can notice that your language has been changed to English. This was a video on how you can change your language in v.io. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.